Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share some styling hacks with you guys. These are perfect for special occasions like Eid. You can use these hacks for any parties. I'm going to start with hack number 1, which is statement jewelry. So you can get away with wearing simple outfits this Eid if you put on some statement pieces of jewelry. Over here I'm wearing these huge they're really big gold hoops. Every girl needs a pair of hoops, and that's because they add so much to your outfit. See, like, it's a really simple outfit, but it's looking so glamorous just because of the earrings. Another thing I love doing is if I've got Western pieces like what I'm wearing over here, I like to add Desi jewelry, and it looks so beautiful. Like, it just looks so different. The Desi jewelry just adds so much character to the entire look, and that's hack number 1. Moving on to hack number 2, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on your outfits. If it's not available to you, or even if you can't afford it, don't stress. All you need is one fancy shawl or a fancy scarf. You can put this on top of a simple white kurta or a black kurta or a white or black dress. I'm wearing a green hijab because I thought it looked really nice with this outfit, but a fancy shawl really does put a look together. And moving on to hack number 3 is bold makeup. So whenever I really want to look put together and look like I've put in an effort, even though a lot of the time I'm so lazy, I don't put in effort, I put on a bold lipstick. This could be like a bright red lipstick, a bright pink lipstick. You could even put on like a dark lipstick, and this really makes a statement and makes you look really put together. So hack number 4 is bangles. Bangles are like a key part of Pakistani Eid. When I was a little girl, I used to get these bangles sent to me from Pakistan, since a lot of the time we don't have them available, and they just look so beautiful. They just make Eid so special for us, and they really make any outfit look extra fancy and glamorous. The last hack is to use your kurte, like your fancy dresses like this. Use the dupatte as a hijab if you are a hijabi like me. Another hack I like to do is use these fancy pins, and I pin up my hijab. See, I've used the border over here of my dupatta, and it just looks so beautiful. I don't need to add any earrings or anything like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Share your hacks for styling down below, and make sure you guys have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I hope you all have a blessed Ramazan and Eid, and take care. Allah Hafiz.